Understanding Candlelight Vigils, a beacon of unity and remembrance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a heartfelt tradition known worldwide, the Candlelight Vigil. You might have heard this term in the news, seen one in your community, or come across it in literature. So, what is a candlelight vigil, and why do people participate in them? Let's illuminate the subject together. A candlelight vigil is a gathering where people come together, usually after sunset, to light candles in honor of an individual, a group, or a cause. This act is a powerful symbol, representing various sentiments such as mourning, remembrance, solidarity, or hope. The serene light of candles helps convey a message of peace and reflection, creating a space for people to express their emotions collectively. Candlelight vigils have a rich history and are deeply rooted in various cultures and religions. Historically, lighting candles has been a part of spiritual and religious ceremonies, symbolizing enlightenment, guidance, or the memory of the departed. Over time, this practice evolved into the modern form of vigil, transcending religious boundaries and becoming a universal symbol of unity and compassion. People organize candlelight vigils for numerous reasons. They might be held to honor victims of tragedies, such as natural disasters, acts of terrorism, or instances of social injustice. Vigils serve as a platform for communities to stand together, offering support and seeking solace in times of sorrow. They also provide a space for advocacy, where people collectively call for change, justice, or awareness about critical issues. In candlelight vigils, the candle itself is a profound symbol. Its gentle light pierces through the darkness, representing hope, resilience, and the enduring spirit of humanity. The act of lighting another person's candle signifies solidarity and shared purpose, reinforcing the collective strength of those gathered. Participating in a vigil is a personal and communal experience. It's a time to reflect, mourn, or express solidarity quietly. While each vigil might have its specific focus, the underlying themes of compassion, unity, and remembrance are universal. Participants often leave feeling a sense of connection and shared humanity, having honored the vigil's purpose together. Candlelight vigils are a poignant reminder of our capacity for empathy and our shared desire for a better world. They bring light to the darkness, both literally and metaphorically, and allow us to stand shoulder to shoulder in moments of reflection and change. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful tradition of candlelight vigils and the profound impact they have on communities worldwide. Thank you for joining us, and may you carry the light of understanding and compassion wherever you go.